good. So I just got the Go pedal. It's the first version from 500 Madness. Second version has the app and the Bluetooth capability and the protect mode and the kits mode. Or, yeah, the protect mode. 0 to 60 was not too impressive, so we're going to see if this helps it. Yes, so according to my app, the drag racing app, it's 3 seconds quicker from 0 to 60. I believe it could be quicker, but right now the vacuum pump is leaking. That's going to be replaced. And other than that, it should be good. Honestly, it is running 16-inch tires, but that's what some of the stock 500s do. It's much snappier. I'm going to keep playing with it, but honestly, it's a good investment. I got the first gen because it was much cheaper. I got it for $70 on eBay. If you get the new one, it's like 250, 220 on the 500 Madness page. There is more videos coming soon. Truck stuff, the pre-runner, and new car. So stay tuned. And if you want more videos on the Fiat, please let me know, and I'll make more stuff. Thank you.